to my lifestyle channel. This is Katrina's Price's Home, Life and More. I share home decor inspiration, outdoor makeovers, indoor and outdoor tablescapes, cooking in my priceless kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social platforms. In today's video, I'll be cleaning my dining room and styling my dining room table. So you know what to do. Stick and stay. And let's get ready to clean together. enjoyed today's dining room clean with me and Tablescape refresh, then you know what to do. Please give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to grow. Make sure to check out my Amazon storefront as well as my Walmart storefront. Both of them are linked in the description box below, and you know they're open 24/7 for your shopping convenience. And don't forget, Prime Day is coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, and on your way out, leave a kind comment below and a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now let's go to the next video.